Hello everyone, it's me Cass, and today we're going to be using the bleach bath method to try and get as much color out of this thick hair as possible. As you can see, we've got some dark blues, some greens, some turquoise colors, some light greens, yellows even coming through, and I just want to see if we can lift some color out. So let's get started. Now, a bleach bath is when you take an equal amount of the bleach and the developer. Today we're using 20 volume, and you're going to dilute it with equal parts of shampoo. And today we're using Head and Shoulders because that was the cheapest that I could find. I went to a Target and got this. It's a really big hefty bottle, but you never know how much we're gonna use, so that's that. And also the recipe calls for, you could use vitamin C. Now, I don't have vitamin C packet with me, or a pill, or whatever you want to call it. I don't have that. And some water. But it's going to, honestly, the water part all depends on how pasty the mixture is. So, depending on the consistency, I'll add some water. So, I'm going to wet my hair first. And then I'm going to mix up the mixture. Now, I was down the aisle where they had mixing bowls for hair dye, and I looked at it, I grabbed it, but did it make it in my cart? It didn't make it in my cart. So today we're using a Pyrex measuring cup. And I have some chopsticks because I couldn't find my whiskey whisk. And this is all I have for hair clippies. So, yeah, I don't know where the other 3 of these went, and I had 6 of these, so I don't know where they went. I misplaced them somewhere. I'm sure I'll find them, like, tomorrow when I don't need them. So, you know how that all goes. So we're gonna use all that. I almost forgot that we're gonna need gloves, too. This is gonna get messy. And bleach can chemically burn you if you don't wear gloves. You'll get the tingles. You don't want tingles. You don't want pinny pricks, okay? I guarantee you're not going to like it. It's not going to be fun. So please go out and get yourself some glovies before you do anything. Preferably ones that actually fit right. Alright, so I'm going to open this for the first time. I don't know what's in this box. I've never used this product before. It is called the Lime Crime Unicorn Hair Bleach Party in 20 Volume Hair Lightening Kit. Now I just figure we're gonna use a kit rather than me having to get the powder and the developer and then not getting the right ratios and measurements out of it. Not that I don't trust myself, but kind of I don't trust myself. I don't really want to mess this up. They actually give you gloves too. Oh, are these actually nice gloves? Let me see. I might actually want to wear these. These are really nice gloves. They're like the same quality as these suckers. Oh, I might want to try these. I wonder. These look like they might be mediums. These are like extra large. Let me see. Let me just... I mean, we'll always use these. I just made salsa the other day and had to wear them because I was working with ghost peppers. And ghost peppers will definitely chemically burn your fingers if you're not careful around them. So, yeah. Oh, actually, well, I think, well, they are a little bit. They might actually be the same size. But I'm still going to wear these, whatever. We'll use what's in the kit. So this is the cream developer. And comes with this deluxin, which I'm not gonna, well, is it on the back? The ingredients are on the back. Oh no, see? Okay, cool. Yeah, so it's just the same as using another one. You gotta put it in for like 15 minutes, and then you take it out. Oh, it's powder. I don't know about working with powder. I'm a little nervous. This is the bleach powder. And this is the developer. So we're gonna just use the whole container. I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, there wasn't the seal on this at all. Don't do it. Don't smell it. Whoa. That's potent. Okay. In goes this. Oh. Alright, now we have developer time. I'm scared to... This doesn't have a smell. The developer does not have a smell. Unless the powder literally burnt all my nose smellies out. Okay. I'm nervous. What if this doesn't work? What if it like melts off my hair? I'm always worried about that. I suppose I'm doing this so that you don't have to, right? Or you will do it. You want to see. Some of you are watching just seeing if I'm going to meet my demise or not. I don't blame you. Okay, is it all out? It's not all out. You know what? I've been seeing a lot online. These little spatulas. Like, that you can, like, get all the product out of things. I should probably invest in, like, a few of those. Because, I don't know. I always feel like I don't get everything out. It makes about almost 2 cups worth. So I'm going to pour in about almost 2 cups of this. Now I want to know, is this gonna like cut the 20 developer? Like, is it gonna cut it into 10? Like, cut it in half? This is really smelly. Okay, the Head and Shoulders though is making it even more potent. Now I can... Oh man, this is bad. Look at... It's literally really thick buttermilk pancake batter consistency. I want it to be a little more runny because I need this product to get all my hair. Also, we have to be really careful this time because this part I need to save. Okay, so I finally got this proper consistency. See, now it's a little bit runny. It's still sticking to the stuff pretty good, but it's still like runny a little bit, just a little bit. That's what I want. And I used half a cup of water to literally make that consistency. It was super thick, like a McFlurry kind of thick. And now we made it into like maybe a Shamrock Shake consistency. You know, since it's March still. I think my mom would agree. All right, let's go. Now, first of all, I'm just gonna wet my hair down again because it needs to be wet. And it has absorbed all of the water that I sprayed into it earlier, which is actually good because this time it'll actually feel like it's wet. And I gotta get the underneath too. That's important. All right, I'm gonna try my best to not get my other piece of hair, but when it comes to how long it'll be before I donate it, oh yeah, if you're new to this channel and you're watching this and you're new, I am going to be growing this hair out for someone very special who asked me for my hair, basically, so they can make a hair piece for themselves. And I know, as weird as that may sound, this person is very special, so I'm gonna try my best. Try my best. That's all we can do. And so this time around, I'm gonna try and be really careful at not getting my roots. So, all right. I got the mixture right here, ready to go. I think I'm ready. It really stinks, by the way. Alrighty. I might actually need to... I might get some on there, now that I really think about it. But Holy moly, does it smell. Oh, the fumes, they get in my eyeballs. It's like cutting an onion. At least for me. I don't like this product. Simply because it's just like, oh my gosh, it's just really bad. Ooh. Yeah, this is a good consistency. Remember, half a cup of water. That works. If you're gonna be using Head and Shoulders. If you're not, I can't say how much to use because, yeah. Oh my gosh, is this bad? My eyes are watering. They hurt. This is so potent. Oh my. Okay, so all of it is in. I'm leaving it sit. It does look a lot lighter. However, I just want to let you know that literally not even halfway through it, I had to stop recording. And I turned on my fan. I actually forgot to turn on my fan. Anyway, mistakes were made. I'm only human. Hopefully, with my mistake, you will not make the same mistake. So, here is the results of our first pass. This is actually quite lighter than I expected it to be, actually. There's a more blue and stuff. But look, I actually did pretty good at keeping keeping it away from my unprocessed hair parts. Look at that. It's really not bad. Some of it, like this side though, got hit a little bit. Very little bit, but it's really not that bad. And before we're gonna have to grow it out at the very least 14 inches. So I'm thinking that when we do actually grow it out, I'll just grow it out to like 15 inches and just cut like an inch more than I need to. Does that make sense? Because that way they can't have any processed stuff anyway. But oh my goodness, look at it. It actually turned out fairly good. I can't believe it, honestly. And then the back of the head probably looks kind of bad, but I mean, this is a process. I had permanent hair dye in my hair. I had dark green and light green that faded to like blues and stuff. So this is pretty good outcome, to be honest. Also, I didn't really lose a whole lot of hair, and I know you might think this is kind of gross, but this is the only amount of hair that I lost. This is nothing compared to what I usually lose. This is nothing. I could lose this every single day and be fine. So I think that's all we have for today for this video. Thank you for watching. If you watched through the whole thing, I'm sorry for the little medical scare. I do have asthma. And if you do too, I think this would be probably a really good, this is what to expect type of thing maybe. Depending on how bad your asthma is, I don't know. Mine's pretty bad, so yeah. Anywho, I hope you have a great rest of your week and your day whenever you watch this. And please stay hydrated because it's crazy out there. And have yourself a wonderful time. And I'll see you next time. Bye!